Hi, my dear children. Today I will sing a rhyme about parrot. Did you like parrot? Okay, let's get started. Parrot, parrot, green parrot, are you sitting on the tree? Will you please come with me? I will give you milk and fruit. You can go back after food. Don't forget, my dear parrot. Thank you for watching.